Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very beautiful crochet project together. I think you remember this sun hat we crocheted. In the previous video I stopped at the point where we finished crocheting the hat body. Today in this video we will see how to crochet the hat brim and the bow to complete our creation. I have added the link to the first part of this video in the description box. If you missed it, make sure to check it out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Now we are getting ready to crochet the hat brim. In the previous video, I told you to remember the round where we finished crocheting the flat circle. We will start crocheting the brim from that point onward. I have made the flat circle flat part up to 16 rounds. So now I am getting ready to crochet the 17th round of the hat, which is the first round of the brim. These numbers may vary depending on the yarn you choose and your measurements. So let's consider this as the first round of the brim and start crocheting. I stopped at round 16 in the previous part, so I am starting from the point for round 17. Now using the front loop, I am crocheting the pattern for round 17. Make sure mark the stitches with stitch markers. Next we need to add the section required for the bow. For that, count the number of stitches around the hat body. Then divide that number by 4. After that, multiply it by 3. Now you will get the number of chains needed for the bow. Let's crochet that number of chains. For my hat, 96 divided by 4 and multiply by 3 equal to 72. Let's crochet 72 chains. Now join this chain to the stitch with the stitch marker using a single crochet. Then mark that stitch again. Let's assume the base pattern at the point where we started the brim part is X. According to my hat, the section corresponding is the section corresponding to X is 15 single crochet and increase. Now we can build the pattern. For the first round, make 15 single crochets and increase. Then repeat 5 times. And then make another 50 single crochet. We already crochet in that round using the front loop only. In the second round, 15 single crochets plus 1 single crochet and increase. Then repeat 5 times and make another 15 single crochet plus 1 single crochets. R2 is 16 single crochets, then increase and repeat 5 times, then make another 16 single crochets. In the third round, 15 single crochets plus 2 single crochet and increase. Then repeat 5 times and make another 15 plus 2 single crochets. R3 is 17 single crochets, then increase and repeat 5 times, then make another 17 single crochets. I think by now you understand how to create the pattern. This is the pattern for the brim. The number of single crochets for the bow also need to be added to this. Let's carefully study it and start crocheting. From here, we are going to continue with regular single crochet. Remember to mark the correct places in every round using stitch markers. Since this is a sun hat, you need to make the hat brim wide enough. Make the single crochet all the way around and bow part also. Since this is a sun hat, you need to make the hat brim wide enough. After that, make another single crochet round without any increases. After that, crochet 2 chains. Skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next stitch. Work this pattern 2 chain, skip 2 stitches, then single crochet around the brim. For the bow, continue with only single crochet as usual. Next we are going to make the shell stitch. After making single crochets up to this point, work 8 double crochets into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then make a single crochet in the next chain space. Again, make 8 double crochet into next chain space. Then make a single crochet in the next chain space. Continue this pattern until the end of the round. For the bow, make only single crochets. Okay, now I have finished crocheting the hat brim and the bow part. Now I am going to make it a bit prettier. For that, I am using the crab stitch. In the crab stitch, what we do is crochet a single crochet in the reverse. Let's watch this video and crochet it together. Do this for both sides of the bow part. That part is finished too. Now the only thing left for me is to crochet this section. Crochet the number of chains according to the size of your bow. Now make 3 or 4 rows of single crochet. After that, I'll also make this part look nicer by using the crab stitch. Okay, now we have finished crocheting all the parts of the hat. The only thing left now is to assemble and finish it. Watch this video and finish your project. You can attach this bow like this or like this. Here is the finished hat we crocheted. It's a beautiful creation that's perfect for you to use or give as a gift. So don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think about this crochet project. I'm excited to hear your thought. And don't forget to try crocheting a beautiful hat like this yourself. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to all. Then you won't miss any videos I upload in the future. Alright, then have a great day until we meet again in the next video.